The time is here. Restore your health. Restore your joy. Restore your finances. Restore your blessings. God's Abiding Place Worldwide Ministries presents Restoration of Lost Properties with your host, Apostle Michael Darby. Guest speaker, Dr. Moriah, the Oracle of God.
It's like I'm here, but I'm seeing myself somewhere. The Lord is taking my spirit in Belgium.
Come on.
And in Belgium, I'm seeing a building appear before me. And this building that I'm seeing it is written on it, University of Louvain. And I'm asking myself, why? The Lord said I should ask you, who's Louvain? Who do you know that's called Louvain?
Brother.
Your brother.
Wow. Come on.
Who in the family has a name like Oshino. It's you. Come, your surname quickly, brother. Wow. Your mom is about to die.
Wow, my God.
Your mom is about to die. Something is about to strike your mom, just like that. And you hear the news that she didn't wake up.
Join us for pastoral celebration on the 18th of November and the convention from the 19th to the 21st of November. Address 6010 W Oakland Park Boulevard, Sunrise, Florida 33319, United States of America. Contact 754-214-8426.